how to play videos, movies, and music and view photos from a USB flash drive or external hard drive on the PlayStation 5. Make sure the USB flash drive or external hard drive is formatted with the exFAT or FAT32 file system. I recommend using the exFAT file system for USB drives because it can support single files larger than 4 GB, which is perfect for videos and movies. Create a Video, Music, and Photos folder in the root directory of your USB drive. Place videos and movies in the Video folder, place music in the Music folder, place photos in the Photos folder. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Connect the USB drive to your PlayStation 5. To view a photo or watch a video or movie from your USB drive, click Media Gallery. Select USB. To view a photo, click the Photos folder. Click on the photo you want to view. To watch a video or movie, click the Video folder. Click on the video or movie you want to watch. To play music from your USB drive, press the PS button on your controller. Click on Music in the menu at the bottom of your screen. Click on your USB drive. Click on the song you want to play.